Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mikey and today we have a special day today because in this we have a new carbon helmet. So guys, currently I have two HJC helmets. One is actually for the racing, one is kind of like an old one, let's say budget helmet. So I decided I'm gonna upgrade to a little bit something else. So just join me and let's unbox this. So guys, currently you can see there is no HJC logo on the box. This is actually the Scorpion helmet, and there was a kind of discussion between me and my good buddy King Julian Moto. He used to have Scorpion helmets and he said that he was really satisfied about them. So let's check this out. So we have some kind of a visor in there, so it's a black one. It's a nicely looking black one, which is free in the box, so we'll use this for sure. Let's put this aside for now. Then what else? We have a pin lock 100% max vision Scorpion EVO. This is gonna be helpful. And what else? This piece of shit. That's actually it, so let's jump right to the helmet. Pretty light actually. So it is supposed to be, I'm gonna tell you now, it is Scorpion EVO 1400 carbon. And for those of you who knows my channel, and for those of you who knows what kind of color of my bikes are, and what color of my suit is, and what colors I like and stuff like that, you can kind of guess what color the helmet's gonna be. So first of all, there is a tag manual. Who needs that, right? And that's it. So just put this out. Ta-da! Wow! Look at that! Nice, shiny carbon fiber. Scorpion nicely on the side with a nice red trimming, nice red touch, which is going to be perfect for my bike and for the gear I have. Also for the boots and stuff like that. So 1250 grams. So this is 1250 grams. So this is carbon fiber helmet. It's S sizing. Nice, sturdy. This is really different than the HJC. Wow, it's so light. So light. So double D rings for the safety. That's why I've decided to go to this helmet, because double D rings are the best you can get for the helmets. It's the best. There is emergency pull-off straps. So in emergency of the crash, you will just pull the inside without unlocking it and unpinning it. Just tear it apart for the safety of the rider. So this is really great stuff. I also have it on my HJC RPHA 11. This is for the noise reduction. So in case when the wind is right in front of you, hitting you through the face, this will protect your chin. So less wind, less noise, and more comfort. Drop-off visor. Nicely done. So as you can see, this is more like sporty touring kind of a helmet, because that visor is not really often used on a race helmet. So let's try this on. Fits awesome. Ta-da! What do you think, guys? Huh? So light, oh my god. In comparison with my helmet, it's so different. So, nice soft inside, really nice on and off feeling. It's kind of tight, but it's S, so it will just adjust to my head eventually. But there are no pressure points at this point, like in this really fast try. So I'm really satisfied with it, and it's just beautiful. Look at that, looking really cool. So drop in the comments, hit the like, what do you think about my new helmet? If you have some experience with the Scorpion, and we'll do for sure some riding in it, and we'll do some review, and we'll do a comparison with the HJC, because that's what I have and that's what I'm used to, and I'll let you know how it goes. So for now, thanks for watching. Check this out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and see you on the next one.